Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of, for example, mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you do not have your account added to this device, you will have to sign in right now. So let's do it and then tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games. And here, as you can see, we've been automatically transferred to this update section, which simply means that here we've got the list of apps which can be updated right now. The updates are available. So basically all you have to do is to, for example, find the app or two apps which you'd like to update and tap on update. So let me pick whatever, for example, this one. And your device, as you can see, it will disappear from this list, but it will appear at the very top. Your device will download the update, and after that it will be successfully installed, and of course the app will be automatically updated. Or if you want to update all of those apps, just tap on update all. As you can see here, we've got this button. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.